Hello YouTube! Happy New Year! Now you might have noticed if you followed my vlogs that I kind of dropped off YouTube at the end or early December. I was going to do Vlogmas and then life got crazy and I opened this pop-up shop here which took a lot of time and energy and effort. I also went through a relationship breakdown, so it was really like an emotional time. We're all back on track now, ready to go for 2022. So we will be starting weekly vlogs as well as lots of cool DIY projects on my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Rondell. My business is Rondell Designs. I'm an artist and illustrator. I also do a lot of product designing and making myself in my brand. Cards, prints, wheat bags and eye pillows. I'm phasing out wheat bags this year though, which is scary. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about my goals for 2022. So I've got 3 focus areas in my business. One is original art. So last year, 2021, I had the best year of sales for my original art ever in my life. I really started to turn my business around so that my original art was my focus, because over the last 7-8 years in my brand Rondell Designs, really the main focus has been these guys, which is my organic wheat bags and mini rice bags. So they're super cute, and what they are my artwork printed onto fabric and then I turn them into wheat bags and mini rice bags. So these have been great and they're my main product. So I sell wholesale and retail and these are by far the most popular product. But like I said, I'm turning my business ship around so that my original art is becoming my main focus and actually phasing those products out. A couple of reasons. I don't outsource my sewing. I do it all myself and I'm sick of sewing. I could outsource it, but I don't have enough profit margin in the product to do that. And I don't want to get them made offshore because sustainability and keeping everything as local as possible is one of my core values in my business. So that just is not an option. I mean, I could get them made in China for so cheap, but it's just not in line with my business ethics. So phasing them out slowly but surely this year and really focusing on my art. So that's my number one area of focus. This little guy I made a couple of weeks ago. I love it so much. I'm getting lots of great feedback about this style. So I'm going to do a whole collection called Happy Flowers. It's going to launch in February. And that's going to be, super focused. And I'm really going to just grow my style, because I feel like my style needs a lot more development. Your art can only develop if you're actually making it. So that's going to continue to be my main focus for this year, as well as greeting cards. I'll keep them. They're great. I can just send them to my local printer in Melbourne who uses all recycled cardstock, sustainable inks. I'll keep doing that. That's great. Also a few mini prints, so physical mini prints. So I got these were my first mini prints I got printed last year and they're doing okay. I also want to do some stickers and stuff, but again, I'm getting sidetracked. My main physical product focus for 2022 is my original art. Reason is when I'm doing my goal setting for the year, I ask myself why do I want to have that as a focus? So why for original art is I love painting and I want to do it every day. And I love sharing my artwork with other people. And from a sales point of view, if you're selling an original piece of art, you're getting a lot more money in one chunk than you do with like prints and smaller like handmade products. So that's that. The second thing is digital download. So I have got a digital download Etsy shop called Rondell Printables. Some of my artwork is available on there for download. Also have some printables on my website, rondelldesigns.com. And I really have been talking for the past 4 to 5 years saying that I want to focus on digital download prints, but I haven't actually put in the time and the effort to focus on them. The reason I want to focus on digital downloads is because it's basically passive income. Once you create that original file, so I'll either photograph an original artwork or create a digital product on Procreate or Illustrator, then I can, or also you can use Canva too to create your own digital download prints. Then I upload it to the website or Etsy, and then that's all I have to do. I can sell it 100 times and I don't have to do anything else because the files get instantly downloaded, or the customer has access to download them straight away. So it's really easy, much lower price point than original art, obviously, but really, it's just almost passive income. So that's my second core focus. The third core focus is YouTube. I really enjoy making YouTube videos. I just love connecting with community and maybe inspiring or helping other people grow their creativity or explore their creativity or unearth their creativity that's already inside them waiting to come out. So this year I really want to focus hard on YouTube because not only do I enjoy interacting with people and potentially inspiring others to start their own creative business or go on their creative journey, I also have the goal to have my channel monetized. Now, I actually wanted to have it monetized by the end of 2021, but kind of fell off the wagon there at the end. So this year, my goal is definitely to become monetized on YouTube, and I'm not expecting a large income from that. But it's having multiple income streams in your business is so important, especially creative businesses, because sometimes you might not be selling much original art or printables. So maybe that's when the income from YouTube will help. That's my main focus, 3 focuses for 2022. A couple of other areas I will definitely be dabbling into. I do want to launch my own NFT collection. I know NFTs can be quite hot topic debate around the art community, and there's a lot of scams and thefts going on, but honestly I feel like that there is a lot of scams and theft in art and illustration world already. How many times have you seen like products end up on the shelves in Target where the factory that's made them has stolen artwork from an artist or an illustrator? Nothing new that people steal artwork, so we have to be very careful, obviously, when you're buying digital artwork, just like when you're buying physical artwork, that it's actually from the original owner. But NFTs are a whole new amazing income stream for artists. Like, finally artists get to make some cash by doing what they love. So I'm really exploring that. I'll probably down the track set up a Discord server group. I'm not sure with my NFTs whether I'll sell the NFT and with that NFT you get the original artwork, or if I'll have it like where you get a pass to come and go on a creative retreat once a year or something with me down here on the Mornington Peninsula. So yeah, lots happening. I have had a lot of fun setting up my pop-up shop. This is the air conditioner. I'm not setting up like an Andy Warhol factory. This is the air conditioner that comes from upstairs. We just haven't finished building the wall up there so that we know where exactly the air conditioner vent is going to go. So that's why she's just hanging there at the moment. But I love the space. I'll give you a little quick tour. I've got these incredible doors installed. The roller door can literally close over the front of them. So when our pop-up shop is not open, you don't even know there's one here. I've got a few nice plants and baskets. So the pop-up shop is a mixture of handmade as well as vintage and pre-loved. So a lot of these baskets I find on my adventures through up shops and garage sales and things. I also buy a few things in myself, like these unicorns obviously are not made locally, but I just think they're the cutest thing ever. So I do like to buy some little quirky things, and I've got a couple of stockists in here that sell super cute little vintage treats. I've also got these cute little stationery. That's an eraser. A local person does these sprays. We've got earrings. There's all kinds of different things here, and it's been really nice to reconnect with my fellow handmade community here on the Mornington Peninsula, because I did have a shop years ago, but it did take up a lot of time, which I didn't love. And here in the middle we've got some more earrings, candles, and this beautiful pottery. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much. And then we've got my card rack. I've made up some cute little earrings, just little fun little flower earrings. They're really affordable. Another local maker who is a work from home mum makes these little cute things. I also have a rack of pre-loved clothing. As these things sell, I'll be introducing more vintage dresses and stuff. The plan is also to have artwork all along there, which we just haven't got to that yet. That I have started a art and craft supplies shelf. So I've got some resin molds here. I've got these gorgeous trims, embroidered trims. So it's great for using on paper craft projects or upcycling baskets and things. I've also got some more of these little guys who you can turn into earrings for yourself, and I've got some vintage fabric fat quarters for fabric making, quilting. And these little birds, I'm actually going to be running some workshops where we're going to make really fun wall hangings, and I will definitely turn that into a YouTube video for you guys. So you'll notice I didn't really speak about the pop-up shop as being a priority. So because my co-working space here and the pop-up shop comes under Rita and Frank Creative Studios, I am going to be combining the businesses in 2022, so it all comes under one umbrella, but just different brands. I have to segment them separately. So like this YouTube channel is part of Rondell Designs. That's what I focus on in here. So it's not really to do with Rita and Frank Creative Studios. Obviously, my focus for Rita and Frank Creative Studios this year is to have an amazing pop-up shop that's only open 3 days a week, but we get a local customer base that really supports ethically made, handmade, and pre-loved. Also, we're going to be running lots of workshops in here, in that room there, which is a hot mess at the moment. The workshops will be a big part of this physical space, and as well as that, I just need to fill a couple more desk spaces. For then the rent coming in from our people that rent out co-working studios and desks will be covering the cost of the rent of the whole space. So that's this year's goal for this space. So I hope this video was interesting for you. I think it's really important to set your intentions for the year for your business. I have set some income goals, but nothing really super structured this year. I do this in the past and then sometimes I get overwhelmed by it. So I'm not going to set really structured goals. I'm just going to sort of go with it, but keeping in mind those 3 core areas of focus: my original art, my digital printables, and my YouTube channel. So I'm going to structure my week around those 3 things, and then the other stuff will get done after those priorities. So I'm going to be making lots of TikToks on my art creation process, as well as lots of YouTube shorts, and like I said, my weekly studio vlog. And I would like to try and do another weekly video, but more of a DIY paint with me type video. So stay tuned. I hope you're in for a creative year as well, and let's make 2022 amazing. Bye for now.